Hey guys, Keith Pearson here with Tameron Hyundai, pre-owned inventory manager. Next to me is my office partner.
My name's Jeremy Blaylock. I'm another pre-owned inventory manager here at Tameron Hyundai. I know you're probably wondering why you got this video. We just want to say thank you so much for inquiring on one of our vehicles that's on the World Wide Web. Now you're probably saying to yourself, this is another generic video that we send to everybody else. Well, yeah, that's right. We are going to send this to everybody else. But what's a little bit different about us, right now, as you're watching this video, your specific video on the very specific car that you inquired about is being shot for your wants and needs. Keep in mind also that we have an additional 200 vehicles in stock. Some of those have not made our internet yet. Also, I want to let you know a little bit about Tameron. Tameron Hyundai was actually voted Dealer Rater dealership for the whole state of Alabama last year. That means we got more great surveys in from all of our customers. Something a little bit different about Tameron as well is our warranties and our processes that we send our cars to make sure they're safe and dependable for you. And Keith's going to tell you a little bit about that.
Hey guys, let me tell you about our warranties that we offer. We offer two different types of warranties on most of our vehicles. One of them, of course, is a Hyundai certified warranty where you get 10 years. The remainder of the 10 years of your powertrain, 150-point inspection, 10 years unlimited roadside assistance, 1-day rental car coverage. If your car breaks down, the very first day you'll receive a rental car, and a complimentary Carfax report comes standard. We also offer what we call as our lifetime powertrain guarantee. That's right guys, a lifetime powertrain guarantee on most of our vehicles in stock that's less than 15 years old and has less than 150,000 miles. Do me a favor, give Jeremy or myself a call here at 205-380-6250, or better yet, come see us at 1595 Montgomery Highway here in Hoover, Alabama. Tameron Hyundai, where we do business one way,
the right way.